Hi guys, it's Demi. Today I'm going to be doing an opening of these OMG Pets. They are so soft. Thank you to Character Options and Character Toys for sending these out for us. On the box it says there are 15 plus sounds and reactions, and it's for 5+.
They're so cute, aren't they?
Yeah. Let's open. We now got them out the packaging. This is what they look like. They are really cute and squishy and soft. They also come with a leaflet, a birth certificate. That I've got all this in, so you fill out the birth certificate, and a bottle that you feed them with.
And what does it do?
They also tell you the gender of the dogs. Let's find out. Which one should we start with? I'm going to choose this one. Let's find out the gender. The first one's a girl, as you can see as the top
Has turned pink.
So now let's check out this gender. Let's see. It's a girl again.
2 girls.
Yay! Now let's figure out a name for them. So I've thought of names for them. I'm going to name this one Tilly and this one Coco. So let's start off with the one I've done all first. So first of all, you have to do the puppy's name, which is going to be Tilly. Let's write Tilly. I have now got her name on the birth certificate. So I'm going to now put a date of birth, which is going to be 8/12, the same with me. And they're going to be twins. So let's put it down. And now her date of birth is on there, the same as me. Now the thing is promise. I'm now going to read the promise out. I, Demi, promise to always love and care for my puppy. Give them millions of squishy, heartfelt cuddles. Feed and play with them and provide a warm and happy home. I'm now going to show you how to put the bottle around their neck. So you have the elastic here. You stretch it and you slide it over their neck. And you put it over under their collar like that. Now I'm going to switch it on to make the noises. Go do it this one as well. One of the noises is that you stroke their head. I think they're talking.
How cute.
Let's try feeding them. That's so cute. It sounds like they're interacting with each other.
Do they feel really soft?
Yeah. They feel really, really soft. Oh, they're so cute. It's going to make my heart melt into a million pieces. Let's read this one. Oh,
Little drinking sound is just so adorable.
it's so cute. It's making my heart melt, guys. So the way I'm going to look after them is I'm going to take them out on adventures, read stories with them, treat them like a normal dog or puppy. And that's it for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, smash the like button, leave a comment down below and subscribe. Bye!